In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix camera not working problem on Samsung Galaxy A16. The first method is restart your phone. I will simply go in notification bar, scroll down, tap on power button, tap on restart, tap again on restart. Phone is restarted. Now try opening the camera. My camera is working properly. But in your case, if you are still facing the issue, then go on home, long press on camera, tap on this icon, simply scroll down, go in storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now try opening the camera, your issue will be fixed. So this is how you can fix camera not working problem on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.